Hello everyone! Welcome to Eating the Alphabet. I am Mr. Jimmy from Albert Einstein Medical Center, your fun, Eat Right Philly health educator. I am very excited to be here today. Here's a riddle to see what food we're learning about today. I come in different colors. The big blank is a name for the city of New York. What am I? Right! I'm an apple. Apples come in different colors, and the Big Apple is a nickname for New York City. Like the riddle said, apples come in many colors. Yellow, green, and red. There are thousands, yes thousands, of different varieties of apples in the world.
Wow!
Just like people, apples are all different and good for different things. Macintosh, Golden Delicious, and Granny Smith are good for bacon. Gala, Red Delicious, and Fuji are good to make juice and cider. Which apples do you think are good for eating? All apples are good for eating. It depends on what you like. Some apples like Fuji and Gala are sweeter, and some, like Granny Smith's, are sour. Red Delicious and Gala are known for their crunch. You need to try different varieties to see which ones you like best. Take a good look at this apple. I'm going to give you some time to really look at it. Now close your eyes. Let's see what you saw. What colors did you see? Did it look smooth or rough? Was it shiny or dull? Was it all one color or did you see multiple colors? Do you think it would be crunchy? Do you think it would be juicy? I think it looked like it would be delicious. Apples grow on apple trees. The tree is there all year round, but it only gets apples in the fall. The apples are picked in the fall and then stored in cold places so that we can eat them all year round. Apples grow all around the world in areas where it doesn't get too hot. How many years do you think it takes for the apple tree to produce its first apple? It takes 4 to 5 years for an apple tree to grow the fruit.
Wow!
What part of the apple has the seed? The middle. What is the middle part of the apple called? It's called the core. The core is in the middle of the apple and we don't eat it. What other fruit has a core in the middle that we don't eat? We don't eat the core of the pear or the quince. Apples are a fruit, and they go in the fruit group on my plate. Why should we eat fruits? What do they give our bodies? Fruits give us energy, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Apples are both nutritious and delicious. What do you think is the healthiest part of the apple? The skin or the inside? The skin is where a lot of the nutrients that are good for us are. So whenever you can, you should eat the skin of your fruits and vegetables. Apples provide vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. Which nutrient, vitamin C, fiber, or potassium, helps you to digest your food so that you can go to the bathroom easily? If you said fiber, you're right. Which one helps heal cuts and helps prevent colds? Right, vitamin C. Potassium helps your muscles to work and helps prevent cramps in your muscles. Since apples are a fruit, we know they have seeds. Look at the picture of the seeds in the core of the apple. What shape do you see? A star. Can you eat the seeds of the apple? No, we don't eat the seeds of the apple. Can you name other fruits that have seeds we do not eat? Some that I can think of are lemons, limes, oranges, cantaloupe, and peaches. Some fruits that we can eat the seeds of include grapes, strawberries, and kiwi.
Yum.
We always want to wash off our apples and all fruits and vegetables before we eat them. Why do we need to wash them? Rinsing them takes the dirt and germs off them. We always want to wash our hands before we eat or cook so we don't get the germs on our hands or our food. What are some different ways we eat apples? First, you can eat apples as a snack. You can just eat the apple by itself. I like to cut it up and put peanut butter on it. You can make applesauce or drink 100% apple juice. You can put apples in your salad or in a sandwich. You can make an apple smoothie or even bake an apple pie. Which one do you think you'd like the best? Which one do you think is the healthiest? The ones that have the skin on them and don't have any added sugar would be the healthiest. That's the apple with peanut butter, the salad, and the sandwich. Wow, that was a lot of information about apples. Let's review what we've learned. How many different colors do apples come in? 3. Yellow, green, and red. Do apples grow on a tree, a vine, or a bush? Apples grow on trees. What season does the apple fruit grow in? The fruit of the tree grows and is picked in the fall. What is the middle of the apple called? The middle of the apple is called the core. That's where the seeds are. Do we eat the seeds? No, we don't eat the seeds of the apple. What food group do apples go in on my plate? Apples go in the fruit group. We know they're a fruit because they grow on a tree and they have seeds. What do we always do before we eat an apple? Wash our hands and the apple. What do we use when we wash our hands that we don't use when we wash the apple? Right, soap. We use soap to wash off the dirt and germs from our hand, but when we wash the apple, we just rinse it well under warm water. No soap. Great job! Good job! Here's a bonus question. Does anyone remember what city is called the Big Apple? New York City's nickname is the Big Apple. Wow! Great job, everyone! We learned a ton of information today. Why not share some of the information you learned with your family? I'm sure they'd be proud of what you know. Thank you for joining me to learn all about apples. I hope you had fun and will find tasty ways to eat this fruit.